How to perform a face fillet. Well, one, I want to begin by sharing the actual sketch that I have created for this example. So take a moment and create this 3D model based off of my dimensions. Now, at this time, we will position the shape so that you can see both faces at the same time. Next, you will go to your fillet command. In the dialog box, you're going to choose the one for face fillet, which is over here to the left, the second one in the middle. And you're going to identify the two faces that you would like to perform this fillet with. So the face will be this one here, this surface, and here's my second surface. As you can see, an automatic fillet has been produced with a radius that's already been predetermined. You can change the radius to 7 and hit the apply. At this time, we have completed a face fillet for this object.